Hi, my name is Yash. So last year, I too gave the JIPMAT exam. And from my own experience in hindsight, I can say that JIPMAT is an examination where both accuracy and number of attempts have to be really high. I had a score of 357 in JIPMAT. My 93 questions were correct, while 3 were wrong. So how did I achieve such an accuracy?
So first things first, I gave mocks from the initial days so as to ensure that I used to get the answers to the questions correctly from at least the topics that I had covered, thus working on my precision. And as far as your attempts are concerned, they will only increase if you cover good quality questions from wherever you are studying. Third is revising your concepts. If you keep on doing more and more questions without revising the previous ones, it will take you into the tip of the tongue phenomenon, where in an actual test, you have already seen that question, but you are not able to do that question. And last is analyzing a mock. So if I used to give a mock today, I would at least revise it 2 times in 2 weeks. And this used to help me a lot. Consider this example. If an average mock is 100 questions and you do 15 of them, then you have a database of 1500 questions which you have not only done but have also revised them. You will obviously be in a better position than your competitor. Lastly, take care of your health, have a balanced diet, get good enough sleep, and stay positive during the examination. Because at the end of the day, it is just an exam. All the best for the future.